In this session we'll be working with the combining of strings and or we can say concatenation of these strings, concatenating of string or combining of strings. Suppose I say that I want a full name, okay, or normally you find that in the most of the form, in the application form, a first name, last name will be given and you have to just combine that name actually. Right, so first name will be your name and last name will be your initial. So it differs depending upon the persons you deal with, right? Suppose I type say a variable, suppose I type a variable called first, I just put a variable first underscore name and equal to, suppose I put it as son. I take the same example, simple example, son, put it as son, right? And I put a last name, last underscore name and equal to, I put it as flower. Now suppose I require this string has to be concatenated. So what I will be doing is that, so in this case I require the full name. I put it as full name, full underscore name, and that should come as sunflower. So that is equal to first name, first underscore name, and so I'll be typing the variable for first underscore name and I'll be typing plus and the double quotes, right? Once again I plus to the plus and I type the first name, last name, so put last underscore name and I will just do the print function, print full underscore name. So we'll see how the output works. We'll see how the output works right now. Let us type shift plus enter. Yes, it is working, right? So now this two text has been separated and it has been combined, which is called as combination of strings. So separately I have put an value which is called the text value son, which is a string which has been stored into the variable first name. Second thing I have just taken the flower, the last name, which has been taken as a string and that has been stored into the variable called last name. And once again I have taken a variable called full name. So within this variable I have combined the first name and the last name by putting the plus symbols over here, right? And so plus is used to combine these strings. So in this case plus is used to combine these strings, so where you can create a full name. So this variable name has been printed where within this variable name you find that the first two text has been combined and put it as output called sunflower.